Today on my channel I have a beautiful vase to share with you. So the way you're going to make this, I don't like that this kind of has a blacked out page. Just remove that, doesn't matter. You're going to take the bottom right corner and bring it all the way up into the gutter. Now that's going to tell you where we're going to cut this. So we're going to cut it right here on all of the pages throughout your book. So you can take either scissors or a utility knife, totally up to you. And then just remove those pages. And now that you know your measurement, I'm just going to go ahead and keep cutting. I usually use the text to keep me in a straight line. So as you can see, I'm cutting underneath this line right here where it says exhibited by my father. And keep on tearing. Here I know I'm going to cut right on this line that ended in summer. Just a little hack. Makes it go a lot faster. Here I know I'm going to cut under the line that says lot of. I'm probably cutting about 20 pages at a time. That's totally up to you. Now I've come to some pictures. I don't want the pictures in my book, so I'm just going to remove them. This happens a lot of times. And it's totally fine with this kind of pattern not to worry about it. And then just keep on going. I'll keep doing this going out throughout the book, and then I'll show you how to do the fold. Now for this pattern, you're going to take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and swirl it into the gutter, like so, and then just hold it. You can use some double-sided tape if you want, just for that first one to hold it into place, and then the next 5 you're going to do a little bit different. 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to fold it going up. Now the difference between this and typical book folding is I'm not creasing this. I'm leaving it nice and puffy. 2, 3, 4. I'm tucking that in. And as you can see, it just starts to hold with the friction. If you want to use more or less pages in each of your sections, that's totally up to you. But you can already see it starting to form. See how it just kind of starts to hold by itself. Look how pretty it already is, that design. And then you can see on the top this beautiful swirl effect starting. So I'm going to continue. In my example here, I'm using a book that is, let me see, 168 pages long. So you don't want a super long book for this. But I think anything around 100, 150 is just fine. And the nice thing about this, it comes together super, super fast. And there's just so many different things you can do with this. While I'm doing this, It would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. You're all either book folding or using upcycled paper. And if you wouldn't mind commenting below how you decorated your vase, I would love to know. It's just nice to inspire other people in our community. So this would be a beautiful gift for an English teacher, a librarian, anyone that loves books, somebody that does your book group. So many ideas. Perfect housewarming gift. It does start to get tight, but that's okay. That's just the friction holding everything together. And the nice thing about this is just two folds. It's the half fold here and then the triangle fold up here. So one half fold and then the triangle fold. Now here at the end, I'm just going to divide my pages. I don't really have 5, I've got 3 and 3, but I just so that it ends evenly. Just like so. And look how beautiful that is. And look at the top of it too. Now the super fun part is we can start decorating this with either fake flowers, paper flowers. You could just use it for a little display area. The only thing is you're going to have to cover it right here with something, whether it's a ribbon or flowers. Use something to cover that. So let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to decorate this. So stay tuned. So I've decided to decorate this beautiful vase with these vintage roses. There's a tutorial for this on my page. Go ahead, and there's a link below as well. They're called vintage roses. And I created them out of the top half of the pages. That way there's nothing being wasted. But look how beautiful this is. And then just make sure you have one to cover that gutter area right there. But there you have it. So please check out the link to these roses. Oh my gosh, so easy and so beautiful to make. Happy folding.